Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix voice note on Snapchat. Now, the first thing you can do to fix this problem is to check if you have given access of microphone to Snapchat. Now, to check this, head over to the settings and there scroll a bit down and search for apps. Once you found it, tap on it. And there again tap on manage apps. Now search for Snapchat and there tap on app permissions. Now if you have given access to microphone, now in here make sure to turn on the slider next to the microphone to give access on Snapchat. Now if you have turned on the permission of Microsoft, then head over to the app and check if this solution solves your problem or not. Now if this solution didn't work, then head over to the second solution, which is to check if your app is updated or not. Now for doing that, head over to the Play Store and there search for Snapchat. Now if you can see any kind of update button, tap on it and update your app. But if you're seeing open button instead of update button, then you're using latest version of it. Now if you have updated the app, go back to the Snapchat and check if this solution solves your problem or not. Now this solution also didn't work, then head over to the third solution, which is to clear cache and clear data of Snapchat. Now to clear cache, open up the Snapchat app, then tap on your profile icon and then again tap on gear icon at the top right. Now scroll down until you find clear cache option. Now once you've found that option, tap on it and there again tap on continue button. Now to clear data, you have to head over to your settings panel and now again scroll and search for apps option and now tap on manage apps option. Now in there search for Snapchat and there tap on clear data option. Now once you're done with it, head over to the Snapchat and get logged into your account and there check if this solution solves your problem or not. Now if it doesn't work, then the last solution is to remove your app from the device and reinstall the app. Now to do so, tap on the app and hold for a bit and there tap on remove button. Now once your app get removed from the device, head over to the Play Store and there search for Snapchat. And now tap on install button to reinstall the app. Once your app get installed to your device, open the app and logged into your account. Now this should solve your problem. Now those were the solution to fix voice note on Snapchat. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.